Best electric pressure washers. Are you tired of staring at stubborn stains on your driveway or grime on your patio? I know how frustrating it can be to scrub for hours with absolutely no results. That is why I have put together a list of the best electric pressure washers available today to make your cleaning tasks an absolute breeze. Stick around as I break down my top picks to help you find the perfect machine for your home. Product number 1. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer is an absolute powerhouse for tackling your toughest outdoor cleaning jobs. Delivering an impressive 2,500 max PSI and 1.76 gallons per minute, it blasts away dirt from fences, driveways, cars, and patios with remarkable ease. I really appreciate the Pro-Style extendable steel wand, which comes with a complete 5-nozzle set, including options like 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, turbo, and a dedicated soap applicator. This versatility means you have the right spray pattern for any surface. Another standout feature is the super compact and lightweight design. Weighing just 19 pounds and standing 16.5 inches tall, it is incredibly easy to store and transport. The 4 quick-lock wheels with their 360 degrees steering and low center of gravity ensure an anti-tipping experience while you work. Product number 2. If you need something a bit more portable without sacrificing essential cleaning power, the Westinghouse EPX 3100V electric pressure washer is a fantastic choice. This model provides 2,100 max PSI and 1.76 maximum gallons per minute, ensuring a thorough clean on decks, driveways, garage floors, and vehicles. At just under 18 pounds, it is remarkably lightweight, and the built-in carry handle makes transporting it around your property incredibly simple. I love that it includes a detachable foam cannon, which allows you to apply detergents and chemicals directly to heavily soiled areas for maximum cleaning efficiency. It features an easy-coil nylon-braided 20-foot hose that resists tangling and gives you plenty of reach. Product number 3. The LWQ Pressure Washer S5 is designed for those who want a deep, efficient clean with minimal effort. Capable of pushing out 20-30 max PSI and up to 2.5 gallons per minute of water flow, it drastically cuts down on the time and water needed to get your outdoor spaces looking brand new. I find the 4 Quick Connect spray nozzles exceptionally handy for tackling objects with complex shapes, whether it is intricate patio furniture or dirty car wheels. It also comes equipped with a dedicated foam cannon for superior sudsing action. Moving this machine is effortless thanks to the dual roller design, and the anti-tipping base keeps it stable while in use. Storage is incredibly convenient as well, as it features a built-in hook for the 34.5-foot power cord and a nozzle holder for quick access. Product number 4. For proven performance and reliability, the Karcher K1700 pressure washer is an outstanding option that comes CTEA certified. Pumping out 1,700 psi of true pressure and 1.2 gallons per minute, it is highly effective for cleaning siding, pavement, decks, and fencing. I am particularly impressed by the user-friendly design, which includes an on and off foot switch that saves your back from constant bending. It comes with 3 interchangeable nozzles, a 15-degree all-purpose nozzle, a turbo nozzle for stubborn grime, and a 65-degree detergent nozzle for soap application. Speaking of soap, the generous half-gallon detergent tank makes applying cleaning solutions a seamless process. Navigating around your yard is smooth and effortless due to the large, never-flat wheels that can handle various terrains with ease. Product number 5. Taking things up a notch, the Westinghouse WPX 3000E electric pressure washer boasts a heavy-duty AC electric motor and maintenance-free axial auto-stop pump. This beast delivers a massive 3,000 max PSI and 1.76 gallons per minute, making it perfect for the most demanding exterior walls, sidewalks, and garage floors. The 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose provides excellent reach without frustrating kinks. I really like the lightweight high-pressure metal spray gun and wand, which come accompanied by a versatile 5-nozzle set, including a soap and turbo nozzle. You can also easily connect standard pressure washer accessories like surface cleaners and foam cannons with its M22 fittings. I hope this breakdown has helped you figure out which electric pressure washer will suit your home best. Finding the right tool can truly transform your weekend chores from a headache into an easy and satisfying task. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.